Railway 200 is setting out to be a year-long celebration of the 200th anniversary of the birth of the modern railway, and while celebrating the past, present and future of the railway, how it shaped national life, but we're also looking to inspire that next generation. You know, the railway's been around for 200 years and we need future pioneers to come and work for us, to be around for the next 200 years.
Railway anniversaries have been celebrated every 50 years in the North East, and I think this is the first time that a railway anniversary has truly been celebrated on a national and international scale through S&Dr 200 being part of Railway 200. There were people here from Japan yesterday, Belgium, the States, Canada. This is the place to be.
Locomotion No1. We change the world from here.
Crucially, this is the one that we hang everything off, right? This is the great datum date that we do use. And so this, to me, is about celebrating everyone on the railway in the past who's gone before us, and those inspiring those to come after us, to show everybody that these twin strips of steel that really did sort of, underlie this very first journey are still the twin strips of steel that connect us right now to London, through the Channel Tunnel to Madrid and beyond. This international railway network started here.
I think what's important to note is that the reason that we're celebrating this historic achievement, an innovation that happened in Darlington, is because of what it means to all of us as a town. So everybody in Darlington, whether they moved here or whether they were born and bred here, has a story about the railway, and it's about what can we do to make sure that innovation has a place in our town going forward for the next 200 years. So it's just been utterly brilliant, and well done to everyone who's been involved in organising it.
Here we are, these wonderful crowds, the wonderful weather. We've seen these massive crowds right across the weekend. Clearly, it just goes to show what the Stockton and Darlington Railway means to the people of Stockton.